gangster, big dreams, no tolerance. Cut you at the house and have a holler sense. Get bored quickly. He stay grown, so the PH-tron had to get poured quickly. Ex-girl stripping, I can't stop her. New girl tripping, but I can't drop her. Cause I need something to balance out the fact that it's hard to find a woman when you talented and black. When you hollering at labels and they silencing you back. Cause you fail to thoroughly discuss some violence in your track. Well, gunshot for the young yacht owner. See, there's everybody else, then there's one top loner. First place is often the worst place, but fuck it, I love it here. I call it my birthplace. Whenever I walk in, they making the worst face. Surrounded by Filipinos, I think of the worst case. Watch blue and green diamonds, I call it the earth face. I'm getting your cake, I'll tell you how your dessert tastes. I get a dessert plate, I eat pedigree as your meal. I've been Urkel for some years, it's better be in Jaleel. No, I rock lean snap, it's better be in Israel. It's better driving the car with the letter B in the wheel seat back. Like saying tank on E, I got the drink on me. You better bank on me to be the one and only nigga that you ain't gon' see in the club with a model spilling drinks on me. Nah, give me 20 in a tank on 3. I'm in the range bumping Keisha Cole singing off key like I'ma spare y'all, why you wanna judge me? I don't ever compare y'all, the city is mine, I know it because I'm near y'all. It ain't even started, I'm really trying to prepare y'all. Spring 07, second quarter I'm dropping. With or without a label, man, I'm committed to popping and take over the summer, tour to tour hopping. I'ma meet a lot of women, I'ma do a lot of shopping. Really no other option, spend a lot of money just to make it back. Anybody I dissed in a song, I don't take it back. Same rappers that's all in your face saying Drake is whack. They're checking my availability just to make a track. I promise, mama, I'ma do it, cause I know I put you through it.
I know I put you through it, baby.
And I just want you to sit around with your friends at a dinner table and say my baby's famous, and I knew it.
Yeah.
And there wasn't nothing to it. I've drawn it and drew it till the pen was out of fluid. The ballpoint run out, and all joints come out. Classic rappers are fake, we can all point one out. Yeah. Like to introduce you to the first lady of the ATF.
Closer to my